The SWISCO Series 850 Crossbow Balance is being phased out by manufacturers, and we at SWISCO want to help you replace your Crossbow Balance with the more reliable Series 795 T-Lock channel balance. There are a few steps to follow, but the modification is not difficult. What you'll need is a measuring tape, a pair of flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, and your bathroom scale. First, tilt your sash out. Then, slowly work the pivot bars out of the holes in the balance shoes. Focus on getting one out at a time. Now that the sash is out, work on removing the crossbow balances. They will be attached at the top of the jam with screwed-in clips. If the balance is attached with a plastic P-shaped hook, simply remove the hook from its hole. This is a discontinued hook, and we will not be using it anymore. You can simply install the SWISCO 26-200 screw plug to fill the gap. This screw plug is necessary because the new Series 795 balance screws in place, where the old system sat on a hook. You want to measure the length from the bottom of the T-shape all the way to the end of the plastic tip where the clip retracts. Crossbow balances come at 1.5-inch intervals, whereas the Series 795 balances come at an even inch. For example, a 22.5-inch crossbow balance will simply round down to a 22-inch Series 795 channel balance. Next, measure the width of your crossbow balance's T-shaped shoe. This will dictate if you need the 1.25-inch SWISCO 15-195 or the 1-inch version, the 15-194. Now, weigh your sash, which should be as simple as using your bathroom scale. If you're having trouble getting the sash to sit on the scale, you can simply weigh yourself and then weigh yourself holding the window sash. That difference in weight will help you choose a weight option for the Series 795 balance in our online catalog. Now that you have your replacement channel balances chosen, you just have to install new pivot bars that fit into these new balances. Remove your old pivot bars and examine them to see if their size and screw hole spacing is closer to our 26-021 or our 26-366. Remember, when installing the 26-021, the hook should face the exterior side on installation. If you've chosen the 26-366, you may need to file the end to get a snug fit inside the T-lock shoes. Slide the T-lock shoe into the window frame, twist, and tilt the channel upward with the metal tilt cam facing you. Screw in the clip at the top of the jam. Use a flathead screwdriver to slide the balances down several inches and then twist to lock them in place. After installing the Series 795 balances, put your sash back in place, inserting the pivot bars into the shoes one at a time. You will have to adjust and stagger the balances on installation. Then you can level the sash and tilt it back into the frame. If you have any trouble in narrowing down the balance you need, please feel free to contact us on our discussion boards at SWISCO.com.